What's your name?
My name is Messi.
Okay, Messi. How are you? How are you?
I am 9 years old.
Yes. How are you?
I'm 9 years old.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Alright, so we're going to start your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what's number 1?
Flow.
Number 6.
Lake.
Number 2.
Tree.
What can you see? I can see. This one, what's this? I can see.
I can see river.
How about this one?
I can see tree.
What they can do? Number 1.
Play soccer. Fly kite. Ride bike.
He or she can't. Okay, number 1.
She can play soccer.
She
He can play soccer. He can ride bike.
can't.
He can ride a bike.
Can you say it can?
Can.
Can't. He.
He can ride bike.
Alright. I'm here. What can you do? I can.
Can play badminton and play soccer.
Can you do a cartwheel? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you do a cartwheel?
No, I can't.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you see a turtle?
Yes,
Yes, I.
can.
Can you see a frog?
No, I can't.
What animal is it? Number 5.
Tiger.
Number 3.
Monkey.
Number 1.
Penguin.
In here. Where is the penguin? It's
Is on the house.
hill.
Hill.
It's on
Is on the
hill.
hill.
Where are the snakes? There.
They are on the rock.
Yes, they can. No, they can't. Can zebras run?
Yes, they can.
Can elephants hop?
No, they can't.
Okay, this is my number 1. This is my.
This is my arm.
This
This
is.
is my hand.
No, this is finger.
This is my finger.
This one is. This is.
This is my head.
How about this one? Number 2. No. What's this?
No.
Nose. Nose.
Nose. Lips.
Mouth.
Mouth. Ear.
What can you do? I can.
I can wash my face.
What do you do in the morning? I
wash my face in the morning.
wash my face.
Wash my face in the morning.
What's that? That's
That
Are those noisy cars?
Yes, they are.
How about this one? What's this?
This is bus. This is car. This is tie. This is truck.
Alright. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Missy.